Could you tell us a little bit about the guiding principles behind SKAGEN Tellus and your philosophy?
Yeah, the key elements of the investment philosophy is global convergence. You know, we live happily, I think, in a time where national borders means less and less economically, except in Ukraine maybe. We produce goods and sell goods and don't think about borders. So that's globalization. I mean, there isn't a Norwegian economy. There isn't a UK economy. It's only a statistical concept, really. What happens then is that over time, real interest rates will converge, because it shouldn't really cost more to borrow capital in Oslo than in Sao Paulo. I'm exploiting that trend by trying to buy bonds where the market does not yet price into the bond market this globalization effect. And that will spell out over many years, of course. That's one key point. Another key point is that also the price levels will converge all over the world. That's also a time-consuming process. Currently, it costs a lot more to go to a hairdresser in Norway than in Thailand. Why? Because we are richer than them, okay? Over time, as they grow more than us, and they do, per capita terms too, they will also get the price level that we have. You won't be surprised about how cheap it is to get your hair done in Bangkok, as you currently do. I haven't been to Bangkok, but I guess so. Okay, so how is this price level convergence going to happen? Well, if they have the same inflation target as we have in the Western world, about 2%, how can the price level rise? Well, it can rise as measured in a common currency, let's say the euro, if their currency appreciates. That's what we saw after the war. Germany grew from ruins. The Deutsche Mark also appreciated because they catched up with the rest of Western Europe.
How do you exploit the idea of convergence into practically running your fund?
Well, we have developed several proprietary tools to understand what is the current situation when it comes to where is the real risk-free rate in various countries and where is the price level in various countries. Okay? So we have these parameters that we look at. We also, of course, I mean, this is not a Excel sheet philosophy. We use a lot of data input, analyze that, use economic theory, follow all the current news that we can absorb, and ignore all the noise that we can, and try to pick bonds and pick currencies with bonds ahead of the pack, ahead of the market, and then sell them to the market when they appreciate. And that's how our unit holders get more money than just playing by the index.